EFCO, a company known for its engineering and quality concrete forming systems, has developed an innovative forming system for curved walls. The REDI-RADIUS forming system is designed to form fixed or variable radius walls and will adjust to any radius 10 feet 0 inches or greater. Often used for tanks and circular shafts, EFCO's REDI-RADIUS system can be easily adapted to form horizontal arches, tunnels, and stadium risers. The system can be crane-handled in large gangs and requires minimum bracing and alignment. The consistent bolting pattern of the REDI-RADIUS forming system allows REDI-RADIUS to be used in conjunction with EFCO's plate girder forms, accessories, and fasteners. It is up to your project management team, along with EFCO's support, to follow the EFCO erection drawings in selecting the best methods for the safest and most efficient assembly and cycling of your EFCO forming system. It is also important that all instruction and cautions on EFCO erection drawings be explained to the actual users of the forming system. The contractor's engineer is required to provide guidance and instructions for bracing and tie-downs to resist possible wind loads and additional live and dead loads. EFCO provides you with a support team ready to service your project and answer your forming questions. The members of your EFCO team for your project are the district engineer to assist with engineering questions and form erection drawings, the plant manager for questions regarding shipments and returns of equipment, an EFCO field service representative for all on-site planning, form erection, and cycling support, and the district sales administrator as our connector for all EFCO services and to answer billing questions. Feel free to call directly to your EFCO wraparound support team anytime you have any questions. Let's take a look at some of the basic elements of EFCO's REDI-RADIUS forming system. EFCO's REDI-RADIUS forming system consists of just a few parts that give it functionality, strength, and versatility. The REDI-RADIUS basic panel has no loose parts. Only with special conditions are any additional wailers or aligners required. With EFCO REDI-RADIUS forms, wall alignment is built into the panels. The simple shaping procedure is a big advantage and offers a significant labor savings over other radius systems. Some competitive systems require special angle shaping rings for varying diameters. To change diameters, you end up with loose angles, loose nuts, loose bolts, and washers. Some other systems require multiple adjusting screws, not EFCO's. Changing an EFCO panel from one diameter to the next only requires placing the form on a shaping table, loosening the bolts, allowing the panel to conform to the new radius, retightening the bolts, and the form is ready to use. REDI-RADIUS panels are precision jig built, with the flanges welded tightly to the face sheet, providing continuous support along the horizontal form joint. Some other systems are not connected between the flange angle and the face sheet, causing offsets, fins, grout leakage, and an overall poor concrete finish, greatly adding to your finishing costs. The all-steel design of the REDI-RADIUS panel helps maintain dimensional accuracy and consistently produces an excellent architectural finish. The EFCO Quick Pin, in combination with the EFCO Quick Bolt, produces a fast connection, perfect form alignment, and a superior concrete finish. Use 2 quick bolts on each side of a tie bearing to transfer panel loads to Formwork ties. EFCO's patented tie bearings are fixed integral parts permanently welded into the REDI-RADIUS panels. The tie bearings allow for pour pressures up to 1,400 pounds per square foot. With EFCO's stronger REDI-RADIUS panel, 30% fewer ties are needed when compared with other systems. The use of EFCO's rugged taper ties with EFCO REDI-RADIUS panels means fewer pieces and no form tie materials being lost in each pour of concrete. This results in bigger savings when placing and removing ties and plugging and patching extra tie holes. The rugged taper tie threads are fast, 2 threads per inch, self-cleaning, and low profile, so they reduce setup, cleaning time, and damage. The combined all-in-one wing nut has a 5-degree beveled washer that will handle battered walls and misaligned tie holes in a setup. Best of all, the rugged taper tie with wing nuts can be stripped with just a few blows of a hammer. No wrench is required. An EFCO bottom yoke with the adjusting screw can be used to pull the forms tight against a wood bulkhead. They also eliminate the need for cumbersome external wood kickers at the bulkhead end of the pour. EFCO scaffold brackets and handrail posts install quickly on the back of the forms with contractor-supplied planks, handrails, midrails, and toe boards. It's best to plan your work so that the scaffolding can be assembled to panels while safely on the ground. Scaffolding provides a safe work platform for easy access to formwork hardware and for pouring operations. When stood up, the REDI-RADIUS panel system is supported by telescoping steel pipe braces. The pipe braces make for easy form alignment and plumbing. For special conditions and high walls, the EFCO Super Stud Giant Steel Erector Set may be the best solution. For more information on REDI-RADIUS parts and accessories, reference EFCO's REDI-RADIUS catalog. EFCO's REDI-RADIUS system offers a multitude of time-saving features and benefits. These benefits will allow you to operate in less time and with less labor, saving you money. The REDI-RADIUS system is more cost-effective to use than any other radius forming system. You can easily adjust to any radius without any loose or additional pieces, parts, or angles. In addition, the face sheet is securely welded to the flanges on all 4 sides of the panel. This feature delivers a single sharp line, minimizing the impression in the concrete. REDI-RADIUS panels feature an all-steel face sheet that is durable and delivers a high-quality concrete finish. Best of all, EFCO steel-faced forms will consistently produce the same high-quality concrete finish throughout a project. Compared with wood forms, wood tends to break down quickly, and it is very difficult to achieve accurate panel alignment. Compare the durability of wood with steel, and it's easy to see why EFCO's forms are superior. With REDI-RADIUS forms, you can save time and money by using 30% fewer ties compared with other systems. Less ties results in big cost savings when plugging and patching extra tie holes, saving you time and labor. The EFCO Rugged Taper Tie is a reusable taper tie system that surpasses traditional taper ties in function and efficiency. The integrated wing nut and washer assembly speeds up the setup and cycling of the REDI-RADIUS system by reducing the number of loose parts on your job site. Additionally, less time is wasted looking for tools because a wrench is not required for removal. A simple blow from a hammer is all you need to remove an EFCO Rugged Taper Tie. One of the greatest features of EFCO's REDI-RADIUS system is its patented easy-to-adjust shaping and assembly method. With a simple-to-build shaping table, REDI-RADIUS forms can be easily shaped on-site for varying tank diameters or radius walls. This feature eliminates the need for separate angles that are difficult to roll and hold to the desired radius. With EFCO's REDI-RADIUS, there are no loose parts, plus the panels will hold their shape pour after pour throughout your project. In addition, some systems only have flanges that are 4 inches deep. The EFCO REDI-RADIUS system is 50% stronger with its 6.5-inch deep panel. This results in a much stronger panel, allowing you to pour concrete faster. With EFCO and REDI-RADIUS, you can accomplish your project faster and with less labor, saving you time and money. EFCO strives to provide you with the best value and lowest in-place concrete costs on your project. Please call directly to your EFCO wraparound support team when you need them. Thank you, and we are also available and want to help you on your next project. When you need the best forming system available for curved walls, go for the Gold, the EFCO Gold REDI-RADIUS forming system. EFCO is dedicated to providing you the best value and lowest in-place concrete costs. With years of innovative concrete forming systems, EFCO has developed the REDI-RADIUS forming system. And now, EFCO's series of safety and training videos will provide you with detailed instructions and hot tips for assembling and cycling the EFCO REDI-RADIUS system. This video will focus on safety and reducing labor costs on your project. The REDI-RADIUS patented modular panel system is easier, faster, and more cost-effective to use than any other radius forming system. It's a variable radius wall system with an all-steel faceplate that provides a smooth, continuous, curved, quality concrete finish. When a project or an engineer's specifications requires poor window access to a form setup, EFCO's REDI-RADIUS system has the answer. The windows are hinged for easy access, saving time and labor. Each window is approximately 2 feet square and infinitely adjustable to match the radius of the EFCO form setup. Other systems, if they have windows, are flat and will not adjust without additional parts and labor. The assembly and cycling requirements for your project may differ from the example used here. At EFCO, we will keep safety and productivity in mind as our engineers and field service representatives help you design the best assembly method for your project. The EFCO REDI-RADIUS system is rated with a maximum 1,400 pounds per square foot pour pressure, allowing you to pour concrete easier and faster. Warning: exceeding maximum rated capacity of the forming system can result in serious injury or fatality. Planning the work and working the plan is the key to success. Good engineering support, both by EFCO and your own personnel for your project, is of course a requirement. EFCO engineers can help with typical tie spacing, panel size requirements, and bolt placement plans and specifications. Remember to observe and follow all safety guidelines and applicable codes at all times. Think safety and work safely. Step 1. To cut shaping table fixture templates, use 2x12 lumber or glue lams, laying the templates out and using the dimensions on the EFCO form erection drawings. With these dimensions, there is no need to swing a full-length radius arc. You will need a minimum of 2 inside and 2 outside wood templates depending on your project. Step 2. Build a work table to support the templates. A wood platform will work, but many contractors have found as a good alternative, EFCO Super Studs make an excellent shaping table base. Step 1. Place the REDI-RADIUS panels on top of the shaping table face sheet down. Loosen all the flange strap bolts and the panels will easily conform to the desired radius. Tighten each EFCO quick bolt with its fast and durable 6 threads per inch to 250 foot-pounds of torque. The required torque can generally be reached using a 1/2-inch electric impact gun. If needed, pull the form to the shaping table with a nylon ratchet strap. Shape all of the inside panels first and move to the gang buildup area. Step 2. Assemble large gangs of REDI-RADIUS forms in 12-foot wide strips with all the work done on the ground. A big advantage of REDI-RADIUS is the 2-foot wide panel. When it fits the form layout, the 2-foot panel can be used in a cantilever configuration. This can avoid obstruction at both the top and bottom of a form setup. You will then be able to raise the tie hole off the ground to avoid water stops and footing reinforcing rods. Step 3. Where you plan to move 2 12-foot strips of panels from pour to pour, add a REDI-RADIUS gang handling strap at the horizontal flange joints. To connect the horizontal joints for multiple panel setups, use the high-strength EFCO quick bolt for both its tensile strength and shear strength. When ganging forms together, alternate connectors, quick bolt, then a quick pin, except at the tie bearings. Caution: you must use the quick bolt on both sides of the tie bearings. Step 4. Attach EFCO telescoping pipe braces near the top of the 12-foot wide panel assembly with the pipe braces telescoped collapsed, and secure to the bottom of the panel with reinforcing steel tie wire. As the panels are later lifted into place, the telescoped pipe brace will be extended to attach to the concrete floor supporting slab. Step 5. This is the best time, when the gang panels are still on the ground, to position the EFCO quick bolts and nuts to be used to connect the vertical flanges for the 12-foot wide panel assemblies. Put the quick bolts, loosely nutted, in the ready radius adjacent vertical rib hole. This is also a good time to load up the inside panels with the EFCO rugged taper ties and wing nuts, placing them in the panels and tying them off with reinforcing steel tie wire for storage. You will have them there when you need them. Step 6. Attach EFCO lifting eyes to the top flange of each gang. The assembly is now ready to erect. Set the inside panels with bracing first. Step 1. To assemble the outside forms of your project, switch the inside templates on the Super Stud platform with the outside templates, and repeat Step 1, loosening the flange strap bolts to shape the panel, and Step 2, adding the 2-foot cantilevered panel to avoid water stops. Step 3. Add filler panels to outside panels and scaffolding, along with contractor-supplied lumber for scaffold planks, handrails, mid-rails, and toe boards. This will provide a safe work scaffold for easy access to install hardware and for pouring operations. Step 4. Attach lifting eyes to the top flange of each gang. As each form gang assembly is completed, it is time to erect the assembly and move it into position for the final setup. Step 1. Starting with the inside forms, attach the crane to the lifting eyes and lift upright. Spray form face sheets with F-Coat form release agent before the first use and clean and oil between every pour. You wouldn't run your car without oil. That's essentially what you're doing when you don't clean and oil your forms between every reuse. Spraying the face sheet with a form release agent creates a smooth, superior concrete finish. Cleaning and spraying the face sheets between every use as required is really easy. Rub them down with a burlap bag immediately after stripping, and this will eliminate expensive cleaning and repair charges. Step 2. After flying your inside gang into place, and while the crane is still hooked, shim each gang where required to the highest floor elevation to ensure vertical joints. Use EFCO 3/4 inch by 2 inch quick bolts to connect each vertical joint. Step 3. At the base foundation of a wall pour, it is necessary to hold the ready radius forms to the location and configuration of the wall. We recommend drilling holes through a flange hole and inserting a reinforcing rod. Another method is to locate holes 6 1/2 inches offset from the wall line and before setting the inside panels. This will keep the panels from walking around and on the wall line. Step 4. Before unhooking the crane, secure the inside form to the floor slab by attaching the pipe braces to the pipe brace shoes at the floor. Step 5. Bring in and set the outside forms, repeating steps 1 through 3, and attach the top yokes while the crane is still hooked. Warning: forms carried with a crane or other vehicles are considered a suspended load and are a crush hazard. Do not get under crane loads. Place rugged ties and wing nuts, build wood bulkheads, and back up with EFCO steel bottom yokes. When you are finished pouring and after the concrete has reached sufficient strength, prepare to cycle the forms for the next pour. Step 1. To move ready radius forms, hook the crane up to the form panel setup to be moved. This will normally be the inside panels first. Warning: always secure to the top of the poured concrete wall all form panels that are not being moved. Failure to do so can result in serious injury or fatality. You must determine the best method for your project. Step 2. Next, remove the wing nut only on the small end of the rugged tie and knock out the ties with a hammer. Also, always secure accessories you are moving to the panel being moved. We recommend placing the large end of a rugged taper tie on the inside of a tank. You can recognize the small end of the EFCO rugged taper tie as it is the one with the hex end. After the first pour, the rugged tie and one wing nut should travel with the inside panels. Step 3. Unbolt the vertical joints for the panel to be removed. placing the quick bolts in the adjacent form panel rib for storage. Step 4. Remove the wood bulkheads and take off the top yokes. Collapse the pipe braces, leave them attached at the form at the top, and tie the bottom to the form with wire. Step 5. Clean the panels and re-oil the panel face sheets with the panels in an upright position. For tall panel assemblies, use a man lift. Step 6. It is best to cycle the inside forms first and follow up setting the outside forms second. Repeat the cycle for the next pour. After the project is completed, clean the panels front and back, including cleaning and oiling the face sheets, as you have done for each successive pour. Flatten the panels and retighten the bolts. Protect the face sheets in transit to reduce form repair costs, and ship form panels in pairs face to face or with wood cribbing in between panels. For a complete list and pictures of the REDI-RADIUS forms and accessories and illustrations of special applications, see EFCO's REDI-RADIUS catalog. With EFCO's REDI-RADIUS form system, you will be able to accomplish most of the form assembly operations on the ground, where it is quicker, safer, and reduces labor costs. It is EFCO's form equipment designs that deliver the best value at lowest in-place concrete costs. Please call directly to your EFCO wraparound support team when you need them. Thank you, and we are also available and want to help you on your next project.